Okay, traders, how are you doing? Another phenomenal week has just taken place. This is the CAD Swiss. Remember, in the last recording, this trade we took, and I said to you, I mean, the strategy is always the same, right? We're in an uptrend. I pointed out that, hey, look, we're in a channel. And the trade we were taking last week was this one here, which went up there. I think we came out, we took profit about there, and I think that's where we did the video. As we did the video, I'm going to go down to the to a lower time frame chart. Let's go down to the hourly chart. As we did the video, oh, we're out. We got to take all these stickers. Got to take all this stuff off. Where we got? Where we got? Okay. Okay, let's just do this again. Listen, I'm not going to repeat this. I'm just going to do it as I'm doing it because everything takes time. Here's the weekly. So we dropped down to the hour chart. We was looking on the 4-hour chart. So this was a trade we took going up, and of course we would have put our fibs on somewhere here. So 200. So we took profit round about there. And then as I was doing the recording last week, you saw, it kept on going up. And here's what I said in the recording. I said, well, no worries there. It's going to go up, but what does it do? As we've seen with this strategy, price goes up, then it comes down, see? So price goes down, then it comes up, price goes up, then it goes down. We took this trade, price went up. Oh, brilliant, it went up. We took profit here, and I said, oh, well, yeah, it's going to come back down. So said, so done. It came back down. And this was a trade that we took last week. And the reason I'm going over this particular trade is because it was discussed. Okay. All right. I'm gonna find the area where we took the trade. It was this leg here. Okay. Have a look at it, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the lipstick on, so we can see how this trade was taken and exactly what we did and what we didn't do and how we did and how we didn't do and all the rest of it. So just give me a second and let me put the lipstick on. Okay then, guys, here is the trade. We put our trend lines on, okay? Interestingly, this trend line went up. The price, it moves so much that sometimes you put a trend line on it, it looks like you got your 45-degree angle. As you can see, this looks like more like a 25-degree angle. So here's a 45-degree angle, but it's just the way price moves. Looks like a bit 30-degree there. You drop it to the 15-minute chart. You got to find your spot, and then see price moves so much, the chart falls into like nothing. Right? So that's just something to be aware of. Based on how price moves, it can alter how your lines look on the chart. There's so many nuances to trading, it's ridiculous. You only notice this with time and experience. But anyway, let's get into this trade. Trend line's on, we put one on, we put two on. There's a cross of the trend line there. We can see, let's stay still here. We got the break of the trend line, entry one, entry two. Stop loss would have gone above here, but also, because I did take a loss on this one as well as a win, it took a loss as well. Your stop loss would also be here. Okay, it's right in there at the right at this level here, which would be about the 50% fib. And you can see this tall wick took me out, and then it went in the direction. But nonetheless, that's not a problem. Per the strategy is what we're working. So this is the strategy. It's in the book. It's in writing. So it's not like, oh, he's making it up today. No, this is what we do, and we do it on a regular and a consistent basis. Okay, I just want to make sure you can see my mic. So the trend line's broken. Here's where we're making an entry. We're going to enter one. We're going to enter two. Our take profit is going to be down here at 618 and the 200 fib. It's really simple. It's a textbook trade. This trade, given the pair that we're trading, would have got 34 pips. on one, 34 pips on two. Here's the thing though, as you develop confidence in the trade, in the strategy, as you develop confidence in understanding the parameters of what we do, what I do is I take additional trades in here. Okay, just for 10, 20 pips. It's just extra money. And the reason I do that is because I'm confident price is going down to target. I have that confidence. Okay, you will build up that confidence as you repeatedly do these trades, find these trade setups, and you see that it works the same way pretty much each and every time. Okay, guys. So that's the strategy for this week, and I hope you find something of value in it. Again, it's all in the book. It's just textbook. Here is another textbook trade. Thank you guys for listening.